for anyone who might not know, it's a phenomenon in various cities in the world, kind of a big unlicensed parade in December. It's not really a parade though, it's kind of like really became kind of like a bit of a pub crawl, although it's not supposed to be. And people dress up in Santa themed outfits, Christmassy outfits, and participate in various activities. Primarily though, the activity is going from drinking establishment to drinking establishment. And as you can imagine, that has led to some backlash when people drink too much, get out of control, maybe get violent, and that's just not cool. Here in New York for the past couple years, they kind of changed how they ran SantaCon, so you didn't always have everyone in the same place at the same time anymore. And I think people that enjoyed it, as we did, you know, any party where you can dress up, we're there. We started making our own parties out of it. So on SantaCon Day, we don't necessarily run around and follow the exact route. We get friends together, we dress up, we try and go out and find other Santas and have some fun, and then we come back home and have a party. So this year in New York City, it was crazy warm. It was so warm. I was able to go out. For the first time I ever got a little Mrs. Santa miniskirt coat, went outside without any overjacket needed. We really enjoyed this year.
You know we are.